This is part two of this, or part B, perhaps I should say, of doing a painting of the skyline of Raleigh, North Carolina for a class demo. Step two is going to be some first guesses at drawing. And guesses is a good word for it. Now, I realize that most of you are not going to be drawing with two hands, and that is a shame. I'm getting, little by little, I'm getting more ornery about this two-handed thing. I started forcing myself to use two hands about 10 or 12 years ago, and I had no idea why I was, no, I had some half-baked reasons, I did, but I had no idea how much it was going to impact my painting. My left hand couldn't do anything when I first started, and yet even though it was extremely uncoordinated, my paintings began improving immediately as soon as even though my left hand was lousy. Okay, I'm done. Let me explain a little bit what I just did. First, let me go back to the first thing. I failed to say this earlier. That abstract mark that I made was not related directly to the image. It was, can I use a musical term? Non-musicians, it was counterpoint to the image. It was designed to work in sympathy with the image, but it didn't reflect it. That's as far as I'm going to say. Okay, now this drawing, which I've just finished, and if you're taking a class from me, if you spend more than 10 minutes on this, you're way overdoing it. If you spend more than 5 minutes, you're overdoing it. These first lines that we put down, we're not going to trust them. We don't put our weight on them. The other thing I want to say about the two-hand thing is I'm getting more ornery. My answer is now, if any of you are musicians, you use two hands. Piano, guitar, drums, clarinet, saxophone, whatever it is you play, you use two hands and nobody thinks a thing of it because you trained your left hand to work. And that's sort of what I'm saying now to artists is, come on, get with the program. I know it seems kind of ornery, but you will be a better painter immediately. Now I'm going to do something, you see how dry this is. I'm going to do something right now to speed up the drawing process. That is, I've taken one of my favorite kind of brushes, the chip brush, and it's damp, it's not wet, just damp. And I'm going to run it through some of the thick spots that I just put down a few minutes ago to smear them, spread them out. First of all, it makes interesting marks, interesting energy, plus it thins them out so it dries more quickly. Okay, that's the end of part number two. I'm going to be back in just a few minutes. By the way, thank you for letting me know about the bad sound. I have no idea what that was. I'm hoping it just that my microphone battery was wearing down. Anyway, hope it works out good from now on. This is part two. I'm going to take a picture of this and be back in just a few minutes with part three. Thanks for watching.